हाँ शुरू करो.
Okay. So in this, we are going to see how to access Arduino board using Octave. So first of all, you have to install the Octave program, and to install the to access Arduino via Octave, I'm going to show you how to use it. So like I go to the when you open the Octave software, you will see this command window.
Okay.
So first of all, we have to install an package called Arduino package.
Okay.
So to install it, you have to write this command
बताओ.
pkg
PKG. ठीक है.
slash Arduino.
Arduino. ठीक है.
Sorry, just a sec, sir. pkg install
Okay.
slash dash forge
Okay.
Arduino.
Arduino. Okay.
After it, it's gonna download the package.
Okay.
As I have
So this you
already
are doing.
downloaded the package.
This you are doing in the command window of Octave, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is this something to do with the Windows system or Linux system, or is it same command in all the things?
No, it's the same command for all the things.
Okay. Now you are
So,
doing in Windows or like what? Your
no,
system
sir.
Linux
Windows,
based, huh?
Windows.
Windows based, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay then. All right. Fine. Okay.
After just a sec.
That install spelling was wrong. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like after putting this command,
yeah,
you have to wait for like it to download. You need internet for it.
Okay.
So it will download in a minute or two.
Okay. But already you
So
have that in your system, so I think it is ready for you. Okay. Yeah. You tell next
yes, sir.
thing. Yeah.
Just a sec.
Probably you already have it, no, in your system.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If something has come, previous versions.
So to know if the package is installed, just type the code. Just put the command pkg list. So it will show you the list of all the packages. So you see here the Arduino package at the top. After which,
so just a minute, you again scroll up a little bit. What is that you have typed? Package list, right? Simply.
yes,
PKG
simply
list.
package
Yeah,
list.
fine. Okay, right.
So the next would be to to know the now to access Arduino using this software. We put the command pkg load Arduino.
Okay.
And also you need to have the Arduino IDE pre-installed for it.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Arduino is installed. Arduino software should have been installed. Yeah. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. After I put the pkg load Arduino, I write Arduino setup.
Achha. Immediately, yeah, you have to wait again for some time.
No. Immediately.
Okay.
After I put Arduino setup, it will open the Arduino IDE app.
Okay.
Which will open the Octave.ino file.
Okay. Automatically, it has opened this file, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
So it is the Arduino file for Octave.
Yeah. Okay.
So you simply compile it and upload it in the Arduino Uno, which are connected.
Okay. So like is over, then you are uploading. Next uploading, you click.
I'm uploading.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, uploading also is going on.
Yes, sir. Like,
but anyhow, did you do that port setting? You have to do port setting, no? That already you have taken care, I think, right?
Yes, sir. You have selected the Arduino board and for me.
Okay. Yeah. Achha, okay. Right. Fine. Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
So after uploading the code, you can simply close the window Arduino setup.
Okay.
So it will show like this. that it has been uploaded.
Okay.
After which, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin an, I'm just connecting the connections in Arduino. So I'm going to short analog input A0 and I'm going to short A0 with 5 volt.
Means from
So
VCC, there is a VCC ground, no? So from VCC, you are giving to A0, huh?
Yes, sir. I'm connecting A0 and 5 volt pin together, not
yes,
VCC
okay.
one.
Okay.
After shorting it, I simply put the command in the command window board equal to like to give it a name.
Okay.
Board equal to Arduino.
Okay.
Just a sec. Arduino equal to add which port I have connected the Arduino.
Okay.
Like
So
I have connected it to COM15.
Okay. COM15. Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
So after it, I put, as I told, like I have shorted the A analog pin 0 and voltage pin 5.
Yeah.
So I can read the voltage from here.
Okay.
If it is correctly coming or not.
Yeah. Okay.
So to do that, I'm going to put the command val1 equal to
Okay.
equal to. So I'm going to put val1 equal to read.
Okay.
Analog.
Okay.
Analog pin.
Okay.
And the board. Then I'm going to put board and pin. Like I have told, I put analog A0. So I'm going to
small letters, small letters,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, small letter.
Yeah. Okay.
So after which it will show.
No, if you put semicolon, it may not show the value. Even if you remove the semicolon, then only it will show the value, I think. Otherwise, you simply type. Now you simply type VAL1. Simply you type VAL1 and press enter.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Good. Yeah. 1023 because you have given 5 volt. It is giving 1023.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. I understood.
So to convert it to volt, what I do is
divide by 1023 to 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I put val1.
Yeah.
Star 4.88.
Okay.
And divided by 100. Sorry, 1000. So it will show 5 volt.
Okay.
Now I'm changing the connection. So I'm putting it to 3.3 volt pin.
Okay.
So like again, I'm doing this again.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So okay. So this has to just
will like it showed 680.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm
you removed from 5 volt pin, but you have kept it as 3.3 volt, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So like the val1 value is 680 now.
Okay.
And now it shows voltage 3.
Okay, 3. Okay, you connect to ground now. Let us see. It has to show 0, right?
Yeah.
Start with the ground. Yeah.
Now I've connected it to ground.
Yeah.
So I'm again doing it like it's showing 0.
Yeah, good. Okay, but yeah, okay, right. Nice. Chalo. Acha chal raha.
So yes, sir. Next part of it, I have I tried a small code to blink an LED.
Acha.
So it's a small code. So I'm going to run it.
Yeah.
I have already written it, so
yeah,
I'm
you
going
can
to
open that
rewrite
file.
it.
Yeah, if you have the file, you can open that file directly.
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
I have like LED blink. So
Acha.
what I'm going to do is I use the for loop. So it's going to
Now you need not load this into that Arduino, right? You are simply running this program now in the Octave. That's all.
yes, sir. I'm simply running it in the Octave.
Huh?
So I mean, you can also try, sir.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. See,
so
the main
what
idea
I've
of
done is
internship is I want you to learn and then teach to others. Okay, so
yes, sir.
other many people will learn and again they will teach to many others. Okay, that is the main purpose
Yes,
of
sir.
this. Achhi baat hai. So I think
Uh,
you felt
sir,
happy while doing this, right? Like
yes, at
yeah.
least I learned a new software.
That's what,
Like
yeah. And it is free software and it has very good future.
yes, sir.
So yeah.
That's what make it even more fun to do. Like you don't have to go through any other software like MATLAB. You have to crack it and then use it. So it's like the easiest one, and it uses the MATLAB coding only. So
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah. So someone who is comfortable in MATLAB can easily do this. And someone who
yeah,
does this, no, when suppose if tomorrow they have to work on MATLAB, it will become easy for them also. So it both ways it
yeah.
is good.
So
Yeah.
so if you know MATLAB and if you know Arduino, it's the most easiest way to use softwares like this
Yeah.
because they don't have any separate language for it. So I'm simply putting like the LED pin and just defining it as I have put the LED in pin 13 and ground. So I'm defining the pin 13.
ठीक है
and
ये समझ गया. तो आपके पास अभी वो ब्लिंक हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ सर.
ठीक है, तो मेरे को वीडियो ऑन करके दिखा सकते हैं ना? आई थिंक इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन जस्ट स्विच ऑन योर वीडियो फॉर half a minute. You show to the other public who are going to see this video afterwards. If you don't have any problem there, otherwise leave it.
Like
आप अपना वीडियो खोल के जस्ट वो दिखा के बस फिर बंद कर सकते हैं वीडियो. वो ब्लिंक हो रहा है बोल के दिखा सकते हैं ना यूजर्स को जो ये वीडियो बाद में देखेगा.
यस सर, जस्ट वीडियो ऑन.
ठीक है
सर. तो मतलब मैं पूरा डिस्क्राइब कर देता सर. तो जैसे मैंने फॉर लूप यूज किया है.
अच्छा.
CNT equal to 1:5 is for like I have used it to blink it only
5
in a
times.
loop between 1 to 5. And use the digital pin. Yes sir. So I'm going to start the video.
जनरली आर्डिनो प्रोग्राम में ब्लिंक जो लिखते हैं ना वहाँ इन्फिनिट लूप जैसा होता, वो ब्लिंक होते ही रहता. तो लेकिन आप इधर सिर्फ 5 बार ऑन होने के या और
सिर्फ 5 बार
बस. ठीक है.
और पॉज यूज किया है.
या गुड.
So I'm starting the video. Sir, are you able to see?
Yeah, I can see. I cannot see the blinking part. Yeah, I think blinking part I'm unable to see clearly, but yeah, other things. Exactly. You just to move the hand little bit, you make it little up. Yeah, बस उतना ही रहने दो.
So sir, I'm starting the run.
बंद करो ना. Wait, you switch it off. Yeah, वीडियो बंद कर दो, मैं बताता हूँ क्या हो रहा है. Yeah, now it is coming. Yeah, now it started.
Yes sir, I just started the move.
Okay.
So it blinked for 5.
Let us see. Okay, 5 पर हो गया क्या? ठीक है. Okay, then now you can switch off your video. ठीक है, धन्यवाद. Why I asked is like लोग भी देखते ना आप कौन कर रहा है ये बोल के. तो ऋषभ गुप्ता को देख लिया लोग. ठीक है. अच्छा, they should know their teacher कौन है बोल के, इसलिए बस.
Okay sir.
हो गया क्या ये हो गया? तो अगर ये हो गया तो हम रिकॉर्डिंग इधर बंद करेंगे और next again we can make another short video of another topic which you are going to teach like that. What do you say? Is that
yes sir?
Yeah, that is better, no? ठीक है ना?
सर तो मैं मेरे पास जैसे गैस सेंसर है तो मैंने Arduino
what I'm telling you, stop the recording. एक मिनट ठहरो. यहाँ recording stop करेंगे. We can make another short video again. That's what I'm saying. ठीक है ना?
Yes sir.
तो मैं नागपुर आया था, वहाँ सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर है ना? हाँ. वहाँ एक स्कूल पे आया था, वहाँ कुछ पढ़ाने के लिए एक बार. और सिक्का बर्डी बोल के भी है ना, ओल्ड पुस्तक बेचते हैं रास्ते पे. तो वहाँ भी आया था, कुछ पुस्तक खरीदा था वहाँ ऐसा. एंड वहाँ साइंस म्यूजियम भी है ना, रामन साइंस म्यूजियम. हाँ, वहाँ भी आया था.
काफी पुराना है.
या आई केम देयर. व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग ऑल दिस इज, आप भी क्या करना, सी आपके रिश्तेदार कोई तो नागपुर देखने के लिए कभी तो आपके घर पे आते ना, तो उनको
हाँ
ये
हाँ
साइंस म्यूजियम लेके जाना आप, या नहीं तो कम से कम उसको बोलना अरे नागपुर में देखने का एक अच्छा चीज है, वो है ये साइंस
जी जी
म्यूजियम
जी।
बोल के। ठीक है। और आप
हाँ
जब बस में ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते रहते हैं, यू विल बी सीइंग लॉट ऑफ पीपल, राइट? तो यू हैव टू टेल देम आल्सो, अरे स्पेशली व्हेन यू सी सम स्कूल चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू टेल देम अरे ये देखो।
लाइक
हाँ,
लाइक सर वी
साइंस
हैव।
म्यूजियम है बोल के, ठीक है। बहुत लोग को मालूम नहीं है ना, क्योंकि नागपुर को बहुत लोग आते रहते हैं बाजू गांवों से, कुछ तो कुछ काम पे
हाँ
आते हैं ना। लेकिन अभी नहीं,
हाँ हाँ
ये कोविड होने के बाद बोल रहा हूँ। ये कोविड होने
हाँ
के
हाँ
बाद जब लोग आते रहते हैं, कोई कोई तो कुछ काम पे आते हैं ना, लेकिन उसको मालूम
हाँ
नहीं है कि इधर एक अच्छा चीज है, ये देखने वाला है बोल के।
हाँ, मतलब
तो आप
कि
बोलते
मोस्ट लोगों को यही नहीं पता कि नागपुर में कुछ देखने लायक है, क्या है क्या
हाँ,
नहीं।
वो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ। और एक छोटा चीज आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप आपका ईमेल में भी नीचे लिख सकते हैं एज इफ इट इज योर सिग्नेचर। समझ में आया?
यस सर।
whenever you
हम्म।
visit Nagpur, please visit Science Museum, which is very close to the railway station. Something like that you can put.
यस सर।
So you are doing advertisement for a good thing in your email. So your email will go to lot
यस
of
सर।
people. Some people may take care like that. Okay.
ओके सर।
Yeah. Okay then. तो मैं अभी रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर रहा हूँ पूरा इसका, एंड